show you guys a great, delicious smoothie. What's up, everybody? Alright, so today we're going to be showing you how to make green tea, blueberry, banana smoothie. Just the way you like. So what we're going to need is one banana. I would say about a medium-sized banana. We're going to need a coffee cup. Let's get like a regular-sized coffee cup, alright guys? By the way, I'm drinking some fresh organic lemon water. What else we're going to need is some frozen wild blueberries. They don't have to be wild blueberries. Well, I got organic wild blueberries. So we're going to need a tablespoon. You also are going to need 3 different cups. We're going to need 1/4 cup, 1.5 cup, and 1 cup. You're going to need to grab yourself some honey. Right now I have 100% raw honey, pure raw honey, varietal, avocado. Ingredients, grade A raw honey. Do you see the color on this honey? This is what you're looking for. This is the good stuff, okay? You're gonna wanna grab a tea bag. I have organic green tea. It's gonna be, alright, green tea bag, okay? I have organic, all of this is organic. If you don't wanna do organic, that's fine by me. That's up to you. So what else we put in there? It says fortified light vanilla soy milk. I got organic soy, vanilla, non-dairy beverage, natural flavored soy. Gonna need one of these bad boys. So we're gonna take one of these. Boom, bang. Gonna need a blade to cut the banana. Get your cutting board. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright guys, first, so we're gonna grab our cup. We're gonna put water in it. We're going to throw in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Alright, so let's start by peeling the banana. I'm going to chop this thing up. Make sure you don't cut your hands. Alright. Banana is cut. Alright, so if you didn't want to grab the whole blender, I just grabbed the regular cup size. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of water. We're going to dump that in there like this. Alright, so after the tea has been simmering for 3 minutes, you take the tea bag out. You are going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Now let it just drip off the spoon in there. Maybe spin it around a little bit. Hit the bottom. Okay, look at that. Boom, it hit the bottom. It came off. Now we are going to add 3/4 of your soy vanilla. My organic soy vanilla flavored natural flavors. Now if you do not have a 3/4 cup, then use a 1/4 3 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, we're getting there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these bananas in here. We are going to make sure that we spin this around a little bit so there's no honey on the bottom of the tea. I understand the tea is hot, don't worry about it. Okay, so we go around a little bit. We're going to pour this bad boy in there. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to blend it first and then I put my ice in it. So right now we're going to blend it. There we go. And you want to blend it on ice crush so we chop everything thoroughly. So I usually turn it off for a second and let it come back down like whatever chunks. And so this is the cup I use Today is Friday, so shouts out to Friday smoothies. Ha, because Friday smoothies. Yeah, You know what I mean? Alright, so I fill this cup 2 times with ice. Today, I am going to try 3, okay? Oh. There's 1, 2. We're pouring in the last cup of ice. 3rd thing of ice. Alright guys, let's put the cap on, finish this off, show you guys a great, delicious smoothie. Alright, so everything has been added. If you put all the ingredients that I told you, that exact of what I told you, your smoothie will come out as beautiful and as tasty and delicious and as organic and amazing for your stomach, just like I did. So I took the cap off. Woo! You see how thick that is? Do you see that, guys? Do you see the ice in there like that? That's how you want it to be, okay? So 3 cups of ice. Oh. Why? Why haven't I been making these? Oh my yoy, my yoy. That means oh my god in French. Refresh, guys. Refresh. Amazing. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, hit that like button below. If you want to tune into my channel, if you want me to make any more videos of anything else of what I do, smash that subscribe button. Alright guys, hit the notification bell. Join me on my journey. It's TF, Tallfrenchy, it's true facts. You know what it is. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm going to have another video coming out for you guys. And I'm not going to tell you guys what the video is because I like it to be a little surprise sometimes. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Stay positive. Keep that smile on your face. Even though you don't have a smile on your face, it doesn't mean that you're not happy. Show people love. Open doors for people. Help people, like, carry stuff. Do what you gotta do. Not what you gotta do. Do what you want to do. But do it in a positive manner. Peace out. Enjoy your day. See ya.